Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the addition of algebraic expressions. This is the fifth video in the series of algebraic expressions. If you want to learn other topics, you can go to my channel pages and see the other videos on algebraic expressions. So let's begin. To explain addition of algebraic expressions, I have made these cards. You can call them algebraic tiles or positive 1. If I flip it, I get negative 1. So on paper we would write it like this. Next I have with me a coin representing x, which is a variable. If I flip it, I get negative x. On paper, I would be writing it like this. Next I have another variable y. If I flip it, I get negative y. On paper, I would be writing it like this. In the same way, if I flip negative 1, I get positive 1. On paper, it would be represented like this. I have with me a positive 1 and a negative 1. If I keep them together, I get a 0 pair. And on paper, I would be writing it. So, it becomes a 0. Now I have with me a positive x and a negative x. It also represents a 0 pair. I have another pair, 0 pair with y. How to represent 3x using these tiles? This is 1x, 2x, 3x. And how am I going to represent negative 3x? Just flip these 3. This is negative 3x. Let us now look at some expressions. 4x plus 2. What do I need to represent them using the tiles? I need 4x. Yes, I have 4 x's with me. And I need 2 1's. So this shows the expression 4x plus 2. Now let's understand how to represent 3x minus 1. We need 3 x's. This is 3x and we need a negative 1. So when we add these, we get 3x plus negative 1. So we get 3x minus 1. Now understand another expression, which is negative 2x plus 3. For negative 2x, I need 2 negative x's. So this is negative 2x. And I need 3 1's. Now we have got negative 2x plus 3. Let's look at an expression of having two variables, x plus 2y. For this, I need 1x and 2y's. Here comes a challenge for you people. What is the linear expression represented by these tiles? Just pause the video and think about the expression. You can write the answers in the comment section. Now let us start addition of algebraic expressions. We want to add these two expressions. Can they be added and written as a single term? Let's check. 2x, I need 2x's to represent 2x. And what do I need to represent 3x? I need 3x's to represent 3x. So I can see all of them are of the same kind. So I can combine them to write as 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x and 5x. So I can combine them to write as a single term, which is 5x. Let us see this expression 2x plus negative 3x. Let us bring our coins or tiles. To represent 2x, I need 2x's. And to represent negative 3x, I need. Now we can see here, which we discussed earlier, this is the zero pair. When a negative and a positive x combines, we get a 0. So we can remove this. And we get another 0. So we can remove this. So what is the answer? It is negative x. So the answer to our question is negative x. Let us now look at another expression, which is negative 2x plus 3x. Okay. So for negative 2x, I need this is negative 2x plus positive 3x. So again I can see a 0 pair and another 0 pair. So I can safely take them away because these are zeros. And I'm left with only 1x. So my answer is x. I have another expression for you people. Negative 2x plus negative 3x. So let's say negative 2x is this and negative 3x, we have to add negative 3x. So in all we are having negative 5x. So now I have some practice questions for you people. Plus negative 4x. So you can try these, you can try solving these questions. If the concept is clear to you, you would not face any problem in solving these. And so if you have understood the concept and you think that the video is worth watching and sharing, so please like it and subscribe my channel for more videos of this kind.